Good morning. Today, in this video, we will see various real life applications for control statements. So, we have taken three examples, three programs which shows how programming is used to solve real life applications, or you can create your own commercial softwares. Okay, so these are all commercial software. It is a saleable software, we can say, and which will earn you more money. So this is one program. So this is called as a number is entered through the keyboard. The number may contain 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 digits. Write a program to find the number of digits in the number. That is, if a number is entered through the keyboard, for example 987, there is a number, right? If this is entered through the keyboard, then it will say how many digits are there. The program will say how many digits are there in the entered number, right? So you may see that this is very simple. Where this is going to get applied? What is a real life application? It's all humbug, right? But let me say, in your day-to-day life, we are seeing this application. Where? It's $1 million question, right? Just think where this is a part of that application. This is a part of the program, the whole application. This is a part of that. This particular thing is a part of it. Okay. So have you ever got a token in a hospital? So patient token. Okay. Or have you ever gone to bank and got your token from your teller? Right? So that is where the application. You have seen a token announcement system, token number announcement system, right? So it will say, it will not say 987. Token number 987, it will never say. It will say token number 987. And one by one the number will get displayed, or parallelly it may get displayed. Okay, so that is where the application of this. So here it is taking the number of digits here. The next part of this project is each and every digit has to be stored somewhere, and it has to be announced. It has to be announced, and it has to get displayed. Okay, so this is the program. Okay, so let us see how it can be done. Suppose 987. So whenever a number which is to be splitted into different digits, if a number is given, we need to split the digits. Then there is a very, very simple logic. N by 10, that is n equal to n by 10, n is equal to n modulo 10. So it's not n, something else. Let us take as m, or digits modulo 10. These two instructions, equations, you have to use to do the whole job. So these two are the important logic behind this, separating out the digits of any given number. Separating out the digits of any given number, these two instructions are used. So n is equal to n by 10 and m is n modulo 10. This should be done first, right? So when you, this should be done first, and this is the second one. Okay, right. So when this is, when we are dividing it by 10, when we are dividing it by 10, then the remainder is going to be 7. So 7. So as far as this particular program is concerned, when we are doing this alone, this particular instruction alone we are going to take, n is equal to n by 10, that is n is assigned with n by 10. So each and every time we are dividing it by 10. So when I am dividing this number by 10, you will be getting 98, since it will get truncated, correct? So we are going for adding a count. We are going for adding a count plus plus. Count is equal to count plus 1 or count plus plus. We are going for count plus plus. Okay. Second time I am doing this, then we will be getting 9. Count is become 2, right? Third time I am doing this, what will happen? 0. Why? Means the remaining is truncated, 0.9. So 0.9 is truncated, so 0. Till it comes 0, then you have to keep on adding the count. So this is the logic behind it. Okay, so let us see the program. So this is the program, right? So main of, you have to include this header file and all. I have given only the main function, hash include stdio.h is to be included, right? So main of, so n is the given number, right? This is to be taken from the user, and count is initiated to 1. Count is initiated to 1. Okay. Printf, enter a number, enter any number. So before your scanf statement, always it is a good practice to tell what is to be entered, why the cursor is waiting. So it is waiting for the user to enter a number. So this is a very good practice. So scanf ampersand n, that is whatever value you are going to enter, that will go and stored in the address of the variable n. So ampersand is nothing but address of operator. Ampersand is address of n. Okay. So this we already see. Okay. Now we have got the input from the user. After getting the input from the user, what am I doing is n is n by 10. Suppose here 1, 2, 3, 5 is this is a sample run which has been done, and we have to get the answer as 4. The number of digits is 4. Okay. So I am doing n is n by 2, n by 10. So when I am dividing it by n by 10, the n has got only 123 now. If n not equal to 0, the beauty is we have seen only the control statement so far. So we are using only the control statements, that is if else statement, to do this particular program. Suppose if you use looping, then it would have not been so much of a length. It would have contained in a single loop will able to do this. Okay, right? That is why the maximum number of digits is given as 5. Okay, so 5 is the maximum number of digits. That is what is given in the statement of the problem. Okay, so if n not equal to 0, then count is equal to count plus 1. So n is not, that is n is 123 now. This 123 is not equal to 0. Yes, then count is count plus 1. Now the count becomes 2. Okay. Next, if n is n by 10, next n is, again we are doing, so I am getting 12 as the n value. Here 12 will come. Here 123 will come. Got it? Right. If n not equal to 0, yes, n is not equal to 0, then count is count plus 1. So count becomes 3. Then n is n by 10 again. So 12 becomes 1 here. If n not equal to 0, yes, n is not equal to 0, it is 1. So count becomes 4. Again, n is n by 10, 1 becomes now 0.1, that is 0. If n is not equal to 0, no, n is 0. So this condition fails and it will come out printf number of digits count. Count, what is the latest value of count? 4 will get printed. Now you can say, why so many we are going for? So since the maximum digits is 5, we are going for 4 times. Since we are initiating the count as 1. Suppose, let me take only 5 is entered. Will it work? A single digit number. Alright. So, okay, let us take it. So, let me choose some other color for this. Just a minute. Let me take a blue. Okay, fine. Now, the value is 5, a single digit number. Now coming here, count becomes 1 here. Enter a number. So 5 is entered here. Okay, n is n by 10, n becomes 0. If n not equal to 0, this is not been done. Again n by 10, 0 by 10 is 0. Again this is not executed. Again 0 by 10 0, not executed. 0 by 10 0, not executed. So finally what is the count value now? It is only 1 here. So that will get printed. I hope it is simple, right? Is it fine? So this is one of the real-time example. The other two are some billing software, right? You are making a billing software which can be sold for lakhs and lakhs of rupees. The software alone. And if you are doing it in a microcontroller, then you can have a standalone billing machine. A standalone billing machine, as if you are seeing it in restaurants and other billing areas, right? Okay, here let us read. Wow, what a big program. Question itself is a big. Don't worry. Okay, a semiconductor manufacturer sells 3 types of microprocessors: 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit. Okay, it differentiates between 3 types of customers: industry, government and university. That is industrial customers, government agencies who are buying microprocessors for its commercial purpose, for its billing purpose, or universities. Universities may be using the microprocessors for their laboratories. It has the following discount policy that depends on the types of microprocessor, amount of the order and type of customer. These 3 parameters are taken to consider the amount of discount. Okay, now if it is a 32-bit microprocessor, if the order is for less than 50,000, if the order is for less than 50,000, then it allows 5% discount to industrial customers and 6.5% discount to the government agencies, right? If the order is rupees 50,000 or more, a discount of 7.5% and 8.5% respectively is given to industrial customers and the government agencies. A discount of 10% is given to both the industrial customers and government agencies if the order is more than a lakh. Universities get a discount of 7.5% irrespective of the order of the amount. Irrespective of the order amount. Okay. So as far as 32-bit microprocessor, it has 3 customer category. We can have 3 customer category and order value. Based on this, the discount is decided. If it is a university order, then irrespective of the amount, for a 32-bit microprocessor, it is 7.5%. That's very clear. If it is a industry, If it is less than 50,000, 6.5 percentage, more than 50,000, 7.5 percentage, and if it is more than 1 lakh, it is 10 percentage, right? I'm taking like this. If it is a government agency, less than 50,000, it is 6.5 percentage, more than 50,000, it is 8.5 percentage, and more than a lakh means 10 percentage discount. Fine. Then coming to 16-bit microprocessor. No discount is given for orders less than 10,000 rupees. For the orders of rupees 10,000 or more, 5% discount is given to the industrial customers and universities, that is industrial customers and universities, and 6% discount is given to all the government agencies, right? Next, if it is a 8-bit microprocessor, a flat discount of 10% is given to all the 3 types of customers for any order. Okay, so for this we have to write a program that reads, so we have to give input to the program, the type of customer, type of product and amount of the order, naturally, right? And finally it has to give it has to take all these things and finally prints the net amount payable by the customer. You think that is a big job? It is a very big software, right? So this is any billing software needs all these input and it has to print the bill. After taking the amount, it can straight away print the bill. Is it fine? So this is a back-end calculation it has to be done, and if you have a front-end software like in a platform, if you could able to do it like VB or .NET, something like that, then it will automatically the platform, and you have a front-end developed software, then it will give you the template of the bill and so it gets printed. Okay, right. Now how to do this? Again, it is all completely if-else statement. We are not going for loop, we are not going for any higher level of thing, just an if-else statement. It is very clear in all these things. If this is there, then you have to take this. If that is there, then you have to take that. So that is a kind of problem given, right? We'll go to the program. So this is the program, right? So simple. This is a software you are going to develop for a billing machine which will earn you lakhs and lakhs of rupees. Now you can understand or you can enjoy that by knowing a simple programming, not only in C, in any other language, right? So you can easily able to earn a lot. So if you are very good in C, C++ and VC++, then automatically you can get a lot of chance. If you claim yourself as a master in C, C++ and VC++, then you will get a job in Microsoft, yes, Google, yes, Facebook, yes. So these are all giants of software, right? I am not touching this Infosys and other things, right? So if you claim yourself as a master in C, C++ and VC++, surely you will get a job in a Microsoft. All the softwares, all the operating systems developed by Windows, developed by Microsoft, all type of Windows, it is all developed using C, C++ and VC++. Microsoft, all the Microsoft employees are working only with these 3. And how much pay you can expect? More than 2 lakhs per month. More than 2 lakhs per month. Google, yeah, they are really paying well, right? Okay, anyway, we'll get into the program. Yeah, as usual you have to include the header files and other things. Okay, main of customer is taken as character. It is declared as character. That is either industry, university, government. Okay, so it's a single character we are taking. Float, order amount. Naturally, it should be in a float, right? It can come in 0.5 also, right? So order is taken as a float, and the discount is also taken as float. 5%, 7.5%, 8.5%, all these things are coming. So it is taken as what is that, float, and it is initiated with 0. Okay, then amount, naturally it is going to be a float. Okay, integer, microprocessor type. Microprocessor type is only 32, 16 or 8, correct? So it can be integer. We need to waste the memory of the computer or compiler. Okay, so these three are the declaration and initiation statements. Okay, now printf, enter microprocessor type, customer type and order amount, and I am taking everything in a single scanf statement. Okay, microprocessor type is address of MP type, address of customer, address of order. This is taken as captured as integer, customer is captured as character, and order is captured as float. Okay, fine. Till this I don't think anybody is having a problem, a doubt. Okay, now coming to the first one. If the microprocessor type is 32, if it is a 32-bit microprocessor, what needs to be done? We have to check the order, whether the order is less than 50,000 or more than 50,000 or more than 1 lakh, right? So if the microprocessor type is 32 and customer is university, it is a flat 7.5%, that is given here, right? Here universities will enjoy a discount of 7.5% irrespective of the order of amount. So that is addressed first. If the customer is university, then discount is given as 7.5%. We need not to bother about the order amount. Okay. Next, suppose if the customer is industry, then we have to check the amount of order. Order is less than 50,000, discount is 5. Else means more than 50,000, 7.5%. Or if order is more than a lakh, then discount is 10%. That is all. Industrial customer thing is getting over. Fine. This bracket is getting closed here. But this is open still. We are still in 32-bit microprocessor, right? So university is over, industrial customer is over, coming back to government agencies. If it is government agency, if the order is less than 50,000, 6.5, more than 50,000, 8.5, more than a lakh, 10%. So this if is closed and this if is also closed here. So 32-bit microprocessor is over. Then 16-bit microprocessor, if the order is more than 10,000, whether the customer is university or industry, discount is 5%, otherwise discount is 6%. Closed, and 16-bit microprocessor is also closed here. Now, if it is 8-bit microprocessor, discount 10%, that's it. For any customer, any order, for 8-bit microprocessor, a flat 10% discount is given. That is what is given in the, for 8-bit microprocessor, a flat 10% discount is given to all the 3 types of customers for any order. Okay, now it is all decided now. Now we have to find out the amount. Amount is nothing but order amount into 100 minus discount. If it is 10% discount, then 90% will be the amount to be paid. Okay, 100 minus 10 is 90. So 90 by 100 into order, that will give you the amount. Then you have to print. Print of customer is this, order amount is this. Then The microprocessor type is this, amount is this. That is all. Enter microprocessor type. This is what here. This we are entering 32-bit microprocessor, industrial customer, and 65,000 is the order amount. 32-bit microprocessor, industrial customer, 65,000, right? More than 50,000. So it is 5% discount. So 5% of this 65,000 is taken. So accordingly, the amount is reduced, right? So 60,125 is the amount to be billed to the customer. I hope this, it's very easy, right? When while seeing the program, means a question, we were really blinking how to do this. But now once you see the program, you will really enjoy it, right? Fine. We will go to one more example. Right. Again a big story is given. Right. Okay. It's very simple. This is a insurance agency. How it will decide what type of insurance to be delivered to whom and what is the premium percentage to be paid. So kind of a vehicle insurance or motor insurance. This is a motor insurance billing software. Okay. The following rules enable an insurance company to determine the type of motor insurance to issue and the cost of the premium with any excesses to its clients. Right. So this is the overall concept we are going to work with. Let us read. If the age of the driver is 25 years or more, the car is manufactured in India and the accident record of the car is good. So these are all the constraints we have to check. The premium charged is 6% of the declared value of the car. That is the amount of the car, declared value of the car. And that is each and every year the declared value will get diminished. Right. Okay, 6% of the declared value of the car, and a comprehensive policy is issued. If the accident record is not good, the premium is raised to 7%, and also the policy holder pays the first 100 rupees of a claim, right? And a comprehensive policy is issued. Excess value is 100 rupees. The policy holder has to pay an excess of 100 rupees. That is the meaning of it, right? Then, if the age of the driver is 25 years or more, same, right? But the car is not manufactured in India and the accident record of the car is good, the policy holder pays first 100 rupees of any claim and a comprehensive policy of 6% is issued. If the above conditions apply except the accident record is not good, the premium is raised to 7% and a third party policy is issued. It is not a comprehensive policy, it is a third party policy is issued. Okay, since accident record is not good, automatically a third party insurance they will recommend. Okay. If the age of the driver is less than 25, so these two are in a different one category. More 25 years or more, and here it is less than 25. The car is manufactured in India, the accident record of the car is good, the premium is 6% of the declared value, and a comprehensive policy is issued with an excess amount of 100 rupees. Okay. If the age of the driver is less than 25, car is not manufactured in India. Here it is manufactured in India, here not manufactured in India. The same way here, manufactured in India, not manufactured in India. This is manufactured in India, that is for less than 25 years. This is not manufactured in India. And the accident record is good, premium is 8%. The policy holder pays an excess amount of 100 rupees and a comprehensive policy is issued. If the accident record is not good, all other conditions apply, then considering the risk, no policy can be issued. So it is risky. So policy may not be issued for him. Policy should not be issued. Okay. Now, what is this accident record? For that, some condition is given here. If the person has not had an accident in the last 3 years, then the accident record is considered as good. Okay, the condition of the accident record of the car is considered good. Okay, now these are the various constraints which is available before us. Now we have to write a program to output the following: type of motor insurance to be issued, whether it is a comprehensive policy or a third party policy, right? Amount of premium, that is based on the value of the car, the percentage of premium is given here. You have to suppose if it is 7%, 7 by 100 into the value of the car. So that is the amount of the premium to be paid. Excess payable is 100 rupees, wherever, almost all the places, it is the excess amount is to be 100. Okay, so with all these story in our head, we will get into the programming. Okay, so for this video watchers, you can stop at this point and you can write your own program, write your own program, and after that continue to read this, continue to watch this. Okay, yes, so this is the program. Again, it is completely of if and else. That's it. It's very easy, right? Now coming here, again we have to go for including the header file and other things. Age is an integer. Of course, we are not going to say it as 27.5 years. The age is either 27 or 28. Okay, then accident record, whether the accident record is the number of times he made accident in the last 3 years. Okay, so it is going to be, it is not 1.5 accident, right? Either it is 1 accident or 3 accident or 5 accidents they have made. So it is an integer. Okay, excess amount is also 0. It is initiated as 0. It will be 100 normally, right? So it will be 100. Okay, excess may not be initialized or it can be initialized, right? Now cost is, that is cost is going to be in float. Premium percentage, we have 7.5%, 8.5%, it may be like that, right? So we are taking it as premium paid, premium percentage as float. I don't think 0.5 is there. Even this can be taken as integer. It's all 6, 7, 8 only it is there. Even you can go for no, there is something is there. Why we are taking premium percentage as float, I will tell you. When we are calculating here cost is a float value. So it's fine, right? Next, amount is also will be a float, right? Character, type in out. So what is this in out? In out is in or out is that is inside or outside the country, that is inside India or outside, something like that. So for that we are taking, right? Okay, fine. We are coming here, age of the driver, right? Percentage D age, number of accident in last 3 years, ampersand ACC, right? Enter the cost of the car, that is the value of the car manufactured inside or outside the India, it is taken like this. Okay, now, so type is nothing but whether the insurance type is third party or comprehensive. T is given for third party and C is for comprehensive. So it is a character variable. Okay, yeah. So coming to the constraints now, if age is more than 25, that is 25 or more than 25, then we are checking whether the car is manufactured in India, then accident record is 0, then premium percentage is 6. Accident record is something else, so else is for this one, then premium percentage is 7 and excess amount is 100. And for this India, we have to give comprehensive policy. We will read this again. If the age of the driver is 25 or more, the car is manufactured in India. This we have completed now. And the accident record of the car is good, premium is 6%. If the accident record is not good, then premium raised to 7% and 100 rupees, and for all these things a comprehensive policy is going to be issued. So that is what we have done here. Age of the driver means it is more than 25. Coming to this part, this if part, that is, it is starting here and ending here, right? This if part, if it is inside India, then if accident record is good, 6%. If accident record is not good, even he made one accident, then it will go to else part. Premium percentage is raised to 7%, and excess amount he has to pay as 100 rupees. And we have to give a comprehensive policy. Okay, fine. Next, if it is outside India, if it is outside India, not manufactured in India, then you have to go for this. So this is if India, else part is coming here, right? If India, if it is manufactured in India, then this is this. Not manufactured means it is coming in else part. Okay, else, here block is opened. If accident is 0, means accident record is good, premium percentage is 6, and comprehensive policy is issued, excess 100 rupees. If the accident record is not good, premium percentage is 7, and third party insurance have to be given. This is for this else, and this is for this else. Okay, right? And this is for this if, right? Is it clear? These two we have cleared. These two we have done. The other two are there. A similar thing we have to do, right? If the age is less than 25, the meaning of this else is age is less than 25. Else of this, okay, if part is over, for this else we are taking. If inside India, manufactured in India, and the accident record is good, premium percentage is 6, a comprehensive insurance is given, excess 100%, okay, it is closed. Okay, this if part is closed here. Then if it is not India, outside India, manufactured, not manufactured in India, then if the accident record is good, a comprehensive type of insurance is given, otherwise it is rejected. It is risky, R is for risky, okay, and premium percentage is 8 and excess is 100 for both the cases, right? Risky, here it is not given. So amount is equal to cost into premium percentage by 100. Cost, that is risky policy, have to be given, cost into premium percentage by 100. And we are just giving an idea till this. C means comprehensive, T means third party, R means risk, no policy, right? Printf, type of policy, amount of premium, everything. So type is given here, and amount of premium is calculated like this, cost into premium percentage. If excess is not equal to 0, then excess amount on claim is not been given. If excess is there, then apart from the 6,000 you will be getting another 100 rupees as excess amount. So that will be getting billed. So it will not be added in the amount, it is excess. So in the bill, finally it has to add these two and it has to get it. Okay, I hope it is easy, and I hope you enjoyed all these real life examples of software making. Okay, thank you so much. We'll meet you in another interesting session. The next session is going to be loops. We'll introduce loops to you. Okay, thank you.